There are plenty of places to store personal data, including standalone computers, attached external drives, and local network drives. On this PC, we have a hard drive, a recovery drive, and a virtual drive, and we have a few items available from network. Large companies that need to manage corporate data might have on-site data storage rooms. Or they might keep their data off-site in a server farm or server cluster hosted by a third party for a monthly or yearly fee. Single users and small businesses might opt to store their data online as well. There are lots of options, including Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. I'll talk about OneDrive here. Open File Explorer on your own computer to see your OneDrive folder. If you don't see a OneDrive folder, it's because you haven't logged into this computer with a Microsoft account. You'll have to switch accounts if you want to follow along. Saving data to the OneDrive folder isn't much different from saving to a personal library. Here, for instance, in Microsoft Word, I simply have to click File, Save As, and choose OneDrive. Here's my OneDrive folder, and here's where I can save my test document. You can see the new document here in File Explorer in the OneDrive window, but you can also access the files you just saved from OneDrive.live.com. I've logged into my account here and you can see that just now I saved the test.docs file. If I were to place the two windows side by side, you could see that they hold the same data. Even the test document. This is OneDrive as it appears in the Edge web browser, and this is OneDrive as it appears on my personal computer. You can save data to OneDrive to back it up as well. While you shouldn't use it as your only backup solution, it certainly works in a pinch. Although many people do depend on OneDrive for all their backup needs, there's always the possibility that your account could be hacked and data deleted. So make double backups. You can use File Explorer to drag and drop data to the OneDrive folder, or copy and paste it to make a backup. Once it's there, should you ever need to recover it, you can. Consider a scenario where your personal laptop is stolen or lost, but you've been saving files to OneDrive. To recover your files, locate the data in OneDrive in a web browser, select what needs to be recovered, and then click Download. You can download it to your replacement computer. If you accidentally delete a file, like so, you can go to the recycle bin, select it, and click Restore. If you decide you like using OneDrive and want to save all your documents there, or pictures or videos, you can change the properties of a folder to make it the default. If I go back to File Explorer, go to this PC, and right-click Documents, I can select Properties, go to the Location folder, and find a different target. I could choose OneDrive. I could also move the data that's already there from Location and the Move option. Here's OneDrive. Let's take one more look around OneDrive before we leave. You can select something, to share it, to download, to delete, move, copy, even rename. You can create new folders to organize your work, documents, workbooks, and PowerPoint presentations. You can also upload files and folders. Once you have all your data in one place, at least the data you use often, you can access that data anywhere and you can collaborate from anywhere and work from anywhere. Finally, if you have a smartphone, consider downloading the OneDrive app. You can use this app to work on data from your phone or tablet, and you can get the app from almost any app store.